Let's talk about Serum's Unison Width Control, an underrated feature that can make a huge difference in your mix. Found in the Global tab, this setting lets you fine-tune the stereo width of oscillators A and B when using unison voices. Here's why this matters. When you stack multiple wide sounds, your mix can start to feel muddy or lose focus. The unison width control solves this by letting you adjust how spread out those stacked voices are in the stereo field. By narrowing the width, you can keep your low-end elements focused in the center, perfect for bass lines or sub-heavy sounds. For leads, pads, or atmospheric elements, you can go wider to create an expansive, spacious feel without overwhelming the mix. Accessing it is simple. Just open the Global tab in Serum and look for the sliders labeled Unison Width for oscillators A and B. Drag the slider to the left for a narrower, mono-like spread, or to the right for a wider, more immersive stereo image. This level of control is especially useful in electronic music, where balancing the stereo image is key to achieving a polished, professional sound. Pair it with Serum's detune and blend controls, and you've got endless possibilities for crafting sounds that sit perfectly in your mix.